everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do more of an abstract type of design on a bottle. I know a lot of times people will question you, can you do something else besides flowers? So I thought today I would just do a real quick video and demonstrate just very simple, anybody can do this type of design. I am going to be using, let's see how many here, 5 of my Gloss Art by Dynasty brushes. There's a variety of numbers here. Let's see, 3/8, a quarter, 3/8, so basically a mixture of 3/8 and a quarter inch. I will list links down below if you want to purchase through those. And then I'll be using a Princeton round brush number 4, all FolkArt paints, enamels, and multi-surface. I'm using magenta, gold, I think it's ink, yeah, 14 karat gold actually, aqua, wicker white, licorice, lime green, and then pure orange. I don't have the bottle out, I actually put it away. But anyhow, let's go ahead and get started. Once again, very simple. I am just going to be solely dipping my brush into each individual color. And the reason I'm using these brushes right now is because they actually provide really good coverage, like single painting, so I don't have to keep going back over it to get it to fill in the way I want. So I am just randomly doing the front of the bottle, and you can go, you know, up and down, you can go sideways with this, but you're just popping on color. That's all you're doing. And of course, I try to mention, if I can remember, that before you get started painting on glass, make sure you do clean it with soap and water and go over it with rubbing alcohol just to make sure that the paint adheres nicely to the glass. When you're working on a bottle that's not going to be handled a whole lot, it's not as imperative as it might be with your doing like drinking glasses, wine glasses, that type of thing. So do keep that in mind. And I'm just, like I said, just looking at it, eyeballing, and placing color. Now, you don't have to have them all mixed as far as touching each other. You can leave spaces in between. You can add more, less. It's just fun. Something like even kids could do, obviously. I think I just stuck my brush in the wrong color. Sorry about that. Meant to do pink. Now I'm going to go over here to the orange. And again, you know, I can go a different direction with it. I don't have to be going all up and down, crisscross. I can, you know, mix the colors as I go, let them kind of mix together like that, or dry them in between, give them some dry time. You just don't want them to actually be real, like a definite shape is what I guess I'm trying to say. I like more of the just kind of randomness and being a little rigid with it. But it's your art, so have fun with it. That's the main thing, right? Then I'm going to throw in a little bit of gold here, and just, I guess you can see that the colors do have a tendency to mix because I'm doing wet on wet, which again is fine. I'm okay with that. Definitely okay with it. Maybe even just come out like that a little bit. Bring it over into the color, or leave it separated. Alright, so I have a little bit of gold, and then I'm going to come in with just a tad bit of white, and I might even just go over certain areas with it. Maybe concentrate on different directions. Like that. And again, this is intended to be very simple and just very abstract. Oops, just stuck that in the wrong one. I want the black. So I'm going to take my round brush and I'm just going to come in here. Now you could use a dotting stylus, you know, you could use whatever, but I am just going to come in sporadically putting a little bit of design here and there, but nothing real detailed. Just very sporadic and not necessarily distinct dots. It's more like just touching and putting it down as you go. I mean, you could do this kind of a design easily on a wall, on a canvas. If you wanted to add, like I'm kind of getting some white mixed in here, make it show up a little bit more, you can do that. Obviously with the bottle being darker, it's not as easy to see. You know, so choose your colors or do it basically based on, you know, what's working for the colors you picked. Okay, so then I'm going to take the brush, same brush, and I'm just going to come and just do some, I'm going to do some light pulls. Keep them just very random. Do some crisscrosses. It's just fun, I think. Just think how colorful. Put some flowers in this, or I mean, you could put lights in it. But it's just very abstract and loose. And that's the intent. Alright, so there you have it. Told you it was going to be quick, easy, anybody can do it. Very colorful. See this sitting up on a mantle? I mean, obviously I would do the whole bottle. Pop some lights in it. Very pretty. Alright, I hope you like this video. If you do, give me a big thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, hit that notification bell. Before you leave, if you would hit the share button underneath the video, share this on your social network with all your family and friends. I would greatly appreciate it. Until the next time, please stay safe and healthy and have a good one.